इतनी ओवरलोड क्यों की हुई है?
तो की फर्क पैंदा है।
अच्छा तो ए लो लड्डू दा कनस्तर,
लड्डू दा कनस्तर
ते आ लो कपड़े,
कपड़े भी उसमें की है।
ए लो बिस्तर।
बिल्लो बस करो, बैलेंस बिगड़ गया तो।
अगर आपका बैलेंस बिगड़ सकता है तो उस गाड़ी का बैलेंस भी तो बिगड़ सकता है। फर्क पड़ता है जी।
ओवरलोडिंग खतरनाक है, गाड़ी ओवरलोड ना करें।
Welcome back. Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh has said that terror machines are still intact in Pakistan and it must recognize that the terror machines that are operating from its soil is not working for anybody's advantage. Speaking to reporters on board his special aircraft from Tanzania, Dr. Singh said that Pakistan must effectively curb the jihadi groups operating from its soil and targeting India. He added that terrorism as an instrument of state policy is simply not acceptable to the people in the civilized world.
I've always maintained a strong, stable, peaceful Pakistan is in the interest of our country, and therefore these events do worry us, and I hope that Pakistan will also recognize that this monster of terrorism which they unleashed at one time is hurting them as much as it can hurt our country. Pakistan's leadership must now wake up and recognize that the terror machines that they have, or at least some elements of that country have patronized, is working not to anybody's advantage.
Dr. Manmohan Singh also said that the world appreciates Indian point of view regarding terrorism and it should be our effort to mobilize world opinion to ensure that the terror machinery which operates in our neighborhood is brought under control.
The world has seen as never before that the epicenter of terror is in our neighborhood. They appreciate India's plight and it should be our effort to mobilize world opinion to ensure that this terror machine which operates in our neighborhood in Pakistan is brought under effective control.
Prime Minister said that the trial of Tahabur Rana in Chicago court and the confessions of David Headley in the case have not revealed anything new which India did not know. He said that the trial is still on and India will study the case.
This trial of David Headley has not brought out anything new that we did not know, and the trial is still on. We will study it when the trial is completed, but as I said, it has not revealed anything which we did not know before.
And speaking on the land acquisition issue, Prime Minister said that there is a need to think afresh on land acquisition issue. He appealed to political parties not to politicize this issue as industrialization is essential for our country to solve problems of poverty and unemployment. And on the issue of corruption, Dr. Singh added that we are very sincere in our desire to curb corruption. He said we are open to all new ideas and will help to clean Indian politics from scourge of corruption. And on his visit to Ethiopia and Tanzania, Dr. Manmohan Singh also said that he had a very successful visit to the two African nations.
There was a widespread welcome of the initiative